Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create public group. So let's get started. So click on this gear icon, then click on setup. In quick find box, search for public groups. In user section, you can see the public group option. Click on this public group option, then click on the new button. So give the name to this new public group. So I will give Dev public group. Okay. I want to give the access using hierarchy as well. So I want to not have any public group. So I have not selected the member. I have users. So I will select these two users as a member of this public group. I will select the roles CEO role I will add here. So the users which have this role are those users member of this group. Roles and subordinates. I don't want to select it, but you can select it any. Just click on it and then click on add button. So these are the members of these public groups. So I don't have any delegated administration group, so that's why I'm not able to see the delegated administration groups in this available delegated group section. Yeah, so these are the members which I selected for these dev public groups. Then I click on save button. So this is the public group. In this way we can create the public group. Yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt please comment on this video. I will definitely reply you. Bye.